Hi everyone, if you want to edit your photo with the lighting effect and gradient effect, so there is no need of using any tool or software. There is one website by which you can edit your photo with instantly, and we can say that a quality photo. Just come with me on this video. Just go into the Chrome, search for the clipdrop.co. Just scroll down. Select for the relight. Here is the option. Now here we need to select the image which we need to edit. I will select the image. Yeah, here we are getting a two option. One is just means for the free and another one is for the HD mode. So I will go with the downscale and continue. In this we will get a three option, means we can say three lights. In that three lights we can adjust the color and we can add new light also. So distance also we can select here by drag and drop, dragging here, sorry, not drop, and I will just adjust the, and then light one I will select here, then I will go with the light 2. It's looking good. Now just scroll down. The file is downloaded successfully. See, you can see this, the image is very perfectly, means the gradient effect is done and there is no need of any using software or Photoshop or something like that. So very easily you can make just like this photos. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel.